one of my planes down there. Have you ever raced one?
Now
What
that
the hell just happened?
That was fun right there. Gosh.
I'm like still shaking.
Was
I
that just a fun
can watch that all friggin' day.
Was that just a fun day?
Oh, sorry.
Was that just a fun day or what?
I could spend every day like that. Every day.
We just annihilated this
We
place.
need our own park.
You know, Acme Aero for allowing us to
Oh.
be here. I mean, this is today was to entertain you guys, and you know, I just miss being out with horsepower. You know, we
Hold
just
Entertain me.
yeah. Oh my, we had so many good shots. You know, Matt and Jordan were behind the cameras capturing everything. My dad even got some stuff on the iPhone. We had the drones going. All I gotta say is, put down in the comments, what was your guys' favorite part of the day? Like, was it to me, I think I can't tell if it's going through the forest part or it was drifting out of the plane.
Well, for me, there was absolutely no plan.
We had zero plan today.
So
guys.
we show up, and then Matt's talking about putting the airplane, and the wind is blowing. Did you see how much the plane was moving?
I was watching in my mirror.
Okay, coming at me, it took him a little bit because it was like he'd throw up 5-6 feet, and I'm thinking,
That he would go that far.
oh, easy.
Oh, he could easily.
And then he
crush
went
me.
and he did another loop, and then he came back, and the lower he got it, the more steady it got. I don't think the wind was as big, but it was still, the thing's floating, and I was like, oh man.
I don't know how we planned when you said, all right, go. Like when we planned me drifting under Matt in the airplane, that was wild because that was our first time ever doing that. Like if you go back and look, there's no tire tracks, nothing. Like that was our first shot. And then I dropped, you could still see some dirt right here. You could still see like all the clay. I dropped a tire in the dirt, and I just looked in my mirror and I just seen, I mean, Matt was over there with the camera, and I'm like, I knew I dusted him like crazy, but man, that was just fun. This truck is radical.
Sounds violent.
It
does. It sounds, you'd have to be here. I mean, this was fun, no plan, no big budget, just, okay, what can we do and just have a good time? That's what we did. We just had a good time, and I wish we could have had, I don't care how many people would have been here, everyone here would have had a good time just watching the whole thing. That was fast and fun, and I was nervous when you went underneath the airplane, because if it would have went down a little bit,
yeah. No, that was a good day. All I know is this truck sounds good, so good. You know, we built this truck a few years ago, and all the partners on this, you know, we're 2 years later and we're still enjoying it. So I just want to thank everyone that's a part of this. Huge shout out to BFG, because we went through so many tires today, and the Gibson exhaust literally screams. So I even did a live video today. I used all my Scotch mounts. I just put my phone up there, so that'll be cool. I think people like that. I just did a live Instagram video, but hey. Again, another day, Pops and I having a good time. You guys have a blessed day. Dad, you have anything else?
all I can say is life's short, so you could have fun doing anything. I mean, today we just had fun. No big deal, flying underneath the airplane.
Hey, hold on. Get this guy, Matt. Was that freaking awesome
Dude,
day?
Man.
Have you ever had a truck drift under you?
No, man.
No, man.
First time. We'll have it again, though.
Can we come back?
You're welcome back anytime.
This guy's awesome. All right, guys, later.